That was a prank fail. That was a prank fail. So you want me to edit that out, but you guys want me to keep everything? Yeah? Let me know in the comments if you want me to keep everything. I'll keep this one for now. But that was a fail. No! Guys, it's cold. I miss Los Angeles now. Even though it was cold in Los Angeles, it's cold in Philly right now. Let's see.
You're being a wussy.
I am. I'm being really wussy, but it's cold. Let me ask Siri. Siri, how cold is it?
Let's check the weather.
We'll check it.
It's about 19 degrees Fahrenheit. I certainly think that's cold.
Oh yeah, Siri, that is pretty dang cold, Siri. Look guys, this is how cold it is. An ice sculpture has formed. Break some off. Punch it. Here, I want to try. Let me try. Let me try. I want to try. I want to try. Hold it. What's that weak ass kick? That weak ass kick. Look at that huge icicle. Let me get it. Here, hold that.
I used to open my window in my bedroom when I was young and I would eat, it's so gross, I would eat the icicles that would hang.
I can stab somebody with an icicle. I'm gonna stab somebody because I'm the ice monster.
Stab me. Ow!
Alright, I'm looking at all these cat toys and stuff. And wait, this cat toy looks weird. What? That cat toy moves. It's a real cat. Hi, kitty.
Is she hiding?
I don't know. Oh, there's the heater right there.
Oh, really? Look at the size of this icicle Jesse grabbed.
I
He almost stabbed some guy in the eye by accident as he ripped it off. Do you guys remember that time that Jesse put his face in the snow? Well,
this is gonna suck.
He's doing it again. Fast, really fast.
Don't push my face on your
I'm not, I'm holding the camera. Bam, faster. Oh my God, are you kidding me? It went out of focus.
Oh! Oh!
Shit. That must suck. Why'd you do that? And he doesn't have his gloves right now.
Went out of That hurt. That hurt. There's my face. I'll be paid.
Jesse's dumb sometimes. Your whole face is dripping. Are you gonna dry it?
No.
Use your scarf to dry it.
Why'd I do that?
I don't know, but your scarf is all wet in your face. You poor thing.
Oh, I'm okay now. I was hoping it'd make a good
Jesse's
imprint.
not
It didn't
helping
make
me carry stuff. I see your nose in there.
Is my face red now?
It's all wet. It's like soaked. Are you gonna dry it?
Nah.
Here, you wanna wipe it on my coat?
You wouldn't let me do
Yes,
that.
I will. Just wipe it off. Just wipe your...
Oh, it's just so warm in your hood.
My hood is always warm. Anytime Jesse's cold, he likes to put his hand under my hood because it's always warm.
Oh, feels good. Okay. I really wish I didn't put my face in that snow. My whole face is numb right now and it sucks.
You know why it's numb?
Because it was in the snow.
You're dumb.
Oh, snap, Gina, you got jokes. We're stopping by my favorite spot again. It's in the basement. Gina's like, I can't even wait for you. Gina made me stop somewhere and get something. Look.
Listen to the song.
Gina made me stop and get these cookies. What are you getting? They got a special double chocolate mint. I think I'm gonna do this deluxe s'more. Alright, we didn't mess around on the cookies tip. Look at this. Oh, holy shiza. That's a lot of cookie. Tell me what that one is.
It's called mine.
Let me just say something. Like these little piles remind me of bamboo.
So good. Ew.
Guys, look at the detailed cookie.
You're showing them the back of it.
I know. Then my hair got screwed up now. I think some peeps are coming in here. I'm gonna mess with them. I think that's them right there.
I think you're wrong.
I'm wrong?
No.
She is trying to force me to eat more cookies. I
Because
did.
you didn't try
Alright, I'll try.
Where's the music? I lost it. Peanut butter. We love peanut butter cookies.
We ate a bunch of food, right? We feel all out of shape, so now we're just working out while we walk. Just ab workouts. And it works your abs, you just walk, you raise your knees.
No, I'm wired on these cookies.
Woo! I just can't be eating like this anymore, man. We're going on a trip, we can't talk about it yet. But soon, we can't tell you yet, but we going somewhere crazy and I'm gonna do some crazy shit. Yo, the vlogs are gonna be bananas, guys. That looks so cool when I'm standing this close to it. Creeped up on this kitchen. These are all the guys working hard in the kitchen. And they're cooking. Look at it, he made that little thing.
All right, now it's our turn, your turn.
What?
Come on, we have to do it together.
Do what?
We're gonna scream.
Ow! The hell's a rock?
It's a fake rock.
It's a big ass rock.
It's a fake rock.
Is it?
It's
What's
fake.
going on there?
It's a fake
We're
rock.
just rocking out.
Oh, yeah, I thought it was a turtle.
No, Joe, it's just we're amused by it.
Sorry. I mean, I thought I.
It's a turtle. It's alright.
Is it really?
Yeah.
It's not a turtle, man.
Is it really?
It's a rock.
Let me keep working out.
Alright, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Come back. Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
Give me it.
No.
You're cutting me with it.
I'm not cutting.
Ow.
You're stealing it.
I got it.
You look like you didn't get it. I got it. What are you doing to me? Jesse's killing me.
I'm not killing.
I can't see.
I'm choking you.
Wait, stop. You ruined my hat.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. It's too cold outside to be out there for too long and my face is all screwed up from dipping it in that snow. I wanted to ask you, are you team Jesse or team Gina? Write down your team in the comments and let's see who the real, I mean she is winning right now, but I'm looking at you'll be team Jesse soon, I bet you. Thanks for making it to the end of the vlog. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. And you guys, I don't think you made it to 500,000, so as of right now, my hair is staying black. I think it's at like 100,000, so I'd do it too, I'd do it. I might just do it anyways, but I'll do it faster if you guys can get it there. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace on the streets.
Oh my God, sorry.
We got the best video of y'all going down.
Guys,